Hey everyone, welcome back to the Restart Garage POV channel. Look, it seems like there's a car in the water. Yeah, it drove off the hill, broke through the ice, and is almost completely submerged. I'm heading out to take a closer look before it sinks completely under the ice. Looks like someone already tried to pull it out, but the cable snapped. There's still a lot of snow and ice, even though the weather is already warm and spring-like. I won't be able to go further in regular clothes. The snow collapses here too, no way around it. I have a diving suit with me. And special gloves just in case of spring flood rescues. I'll change quickly, give me a moment. Putting on leg insulation. The water is still very cold and it will press tightly against my body through the rubber suit, so I'm wearing it over my clothes. Now the gloves. They don't fully cover my hands, so I need to be careful not to let water inside. Now I'm ready. Let's go. Whoa, the water is really cold. Wait, this is a police car. Look at the lights and the colors. And here are the police markings. The light bar is damaged. Maybe there was a chase in this field? Press the hood release. Let's see if I can even drive it out of here. The body is very dirty. Looks like the car has been here since early spring, maybe about a month. And this is the frame. If the engine is bad, I'll tow it from here. Well, let's see what's inside. Air's coming out. You can see bubbles. Judging by the body and engine, this is an old police Ford Taunus. I immediately notice the battery is missing. Water got everywhere. Everything will need to be dried before I can start it and get it running. The windshield is also covered in dirt, probably splashed from the fleeing criminal's car. Let's prepare for recovery and towing. That water was really cold. I'll call the team for help. Hope those guys heard me and understood. Finally, what took you so long? Today we're pulling an abandoned police Ford Taunus out of an icy lake. Let's get to work. All right, stop. I'm taking the tow cable and mounts. Putting them on. Pull the cable a bit toward me. Perfect, I hooked it. Yeah, I'll steer while the guys tow. Go! Stop! Need to turn! Wait, I need to steer more and let the water drain. It adds too much weight. Yeah, there's a lot of water. We need to lift it higher so it drains. Go straight full power. The snow is blocking it. Let the guys dig out the snow around the wheels. I'll sit behind the wheel and brake so it doesn't slide back into the water. I got water inside my suit. While I change, my teammate will steer. A second recovery truck has arrived to hold the police forward on a cable. Oh no, the cable mount snapped off and shattered the rear window of my SUV. My partner is fine, but I'll have to pay for a new window. Hope this Ford is worth it. Another attempt, this time with a stronger mount. Handbrake off, neutral set, and there's much less water inside now. Now we pull with the automatic winch. And we got the abandoned police Ford out of the water. The keys are here, but we won't need them yet. There's a police ID card inside. No power, as expected since there's no battery. What strange keys? Maybe for handcuffs or jail cells? Water is even dripping from the steering wheel. Whoa, that's a police officer's iPhone. Too bad it's soaked and dirty. Here's something more useful, spark plugs. Whoa, look at the back. That's an M4 assault rifle. Looks like this car was in a serious operation. Yep, I told you, it's a Ford Taunus. There's also a muffler in the back. What is it doing here? Strange. The engine is full of liquid. We need to drain and dry everything before driving. I see the tire is low. Yeah, flat, not good. Hey, come here, faster. Let's pump it up. Should be enough to reach the base. Guys, tell me what you think about today's find. Did you like the rescue? Do you enjoy watching submerged car recoveries? The tire is inflated. I'm packing everything up. Let the gear stay in the Ford. I'll ride in it while being towed to base. First, I need to unlock the steering wheel. Finally leaving the location, and the day is almost over. Hope we don't get stuck. The snow is very soft. Looks like the truck made it out. Look at all this water. It's melted snow flooding the roads. Typical spring flooding in our village. Subscribe to the channel and join our car community. We're at the base. Even the entrance is flooded. Turn more. Putting the Ford on the lift. Lowering the hydraulic lift with my weight. Positioning the arms under the car. Lifting. I'll need tools. Unscrewing the oil cap. Need to drain all the water. There it goes, nice and cold. And here's the old engine oil. Now we drain water from the axles. But need to unscrew almost everything. Now it'll go faster. Cutting the exhaust pipe, it needs to be replaced anyway. Here comes the water from the axles. Look at all that dirt and sand. Cutting the fuel hose to drain the tank. Filled a full 20-liter bottle with water. Done. Continuing. Remove the oil filter. Disconnecting ignition wires. Removing spark plugs to check them. Giving them to my teammate. I'll clean them later. Starter is working. Installing new oil filter. Pouring fresh oil. Filling the engine. Heating spark plug contacts. Hot. Installing them back. Connecting ignition. Oil level is good, adding fuel. Final startup. Engine started. Checking tires. Rear left looks bad. Checking last one. All good. Moving out. Carefully onto the platform. Test drive off-road. Criminals beware. So much power. Need to fix the exhaust. Here's the result. A Ford Taunus rescued from an icy lake, now running again. Subscribe and good luck to everyone.